Hi, welcome to Harisystems. In this session, we will learn handling events in ReactJS. Handling events with React elements is very similar to handling events on DOM elements. There are very synthetic differences. React events are named using camel case rather than lowercase. The JS sets uPass functions for the event handler rather than a string. For that, I will show you a simple examples for enabling and disabling a button. While clicking that button, how it will taking in a code and handle the codes and all. In this example, we'll start here. I am calling it as an action button. This is what we didn't require it. Even this is also, yeah. From here, the state, this is dot state. I want to change is I'll call it as is toggle or is action on, is action on, that equal to true. Once the action is on, that is on true. For binding necessary to make this work, the callback, once it's comes from the callback, I have to handle this handle click function, that method. Handle click. We prepare a button, that handle click button. Once we raised a click over there, this is what we have to handle it. Handle click dot bind, it's on a predefined. What we need to handle this. Now we will write here that handle function method, handle click, simply handle click, yeah, this dot set state of, we need to specify here state, yeah, that equal to, that implies previous state and that previous state as well as present state used to be taken as a action. Is action on, not previous state, not previous state, is action on. I'll give you explanation, you don't worry about it, the terminate of the line. Let me write, you'll find out the observe that what it's going on over here. Render, a return. Now we need to write here a button instead of this. I'll completely remove this one. This return, there is a button on click, that equal to with this ReactJS code. Handle click, CLICK, handle click on performance of this dot state dot is action on with a question mark of, right, enable similarly disable. Stop with that button terminator button. Alright, terminator is there here, and React DOM render action that we have taken here. This is the class extension. Extents of the name of the class is action. Right, see the output. Automatically it came. If everything is perfect in the writing of these lines of the code, then it will automatically displays the output of here our panel. See, if I click that enable, it comes to the disable mode. Have you observed that while execution? It's the handling of that particular event what we have written to something. If may pass the data, and it can be handling with that particular argument over here. See, if I press, it's very simple. On render we have added a button mode here, and the handle click I have written here. Previous state is not equal to the action. Based on that action, it will change that state. If I clicked enable, disable, disable, enable, either based on the performance, that action will be performance. Like button you may give it. If you click like, it will comes to the different symbol. If you click again, that the same thing. It's a normal mode. Like such operations and all the things, so you can write such a simple code and handle such an events. I hope you better understand for this program for handling of the events in ReactJS. That's all. It's very much simple, pretty easy. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, share and comment any of your views. Thank you.